Hey nice people, welcome back. We have created already so many sections. Now we will create a subscribe section. So let's click this plus icon and take a new section here. We will go to the advanced tab and we will set some padding, like top will be 150 and bottom also 150. Let's add a background color here. Let's set the color from here. F4 F4 F4. Okay, so this one, and we will add a overlay image here. So let's go to background overlay and edit an image from here. We will add this image. Okay, the image will be full, position default. Now it will be center, attachment default, repeat will be no repeat, and display size will be contain. Okay, now we will add some text here. Okay, now we will copy a title from here and paste it, and we will change the text to subscribe and also added some text here. Okay, now we will add the subscribe form here. So go to the element and search for form, this form. Let's drag it to here. I'm using Elementor Pro, so this is the Elementor Pro form. So we will keep the email and remove the others. Okay, we will hide the label. Now let's click this email, and here is the column width. We will make it to 75. Then we will go to the button, and here is the column width. We will make it to 25. Okay, it's looking great. Now let's go to the style tab and we will reduce the column gap, so those will be look closer. Now let's go to the button and add some padding, like 10 pixel maybe. $16 okay. Now let's change the button color. Background color will be the yellow color, and let's go to the field. Here is border width 1. We will change the border color to DDD, and border radius will make it 0. For the button, we will also reduce the border radius to 0. Okay, now we will go to the advanced tab and let's set some margin in percentage. Left will be 15% and right will be also 15%. Maybe 20% will be fine. Left 20. Okay, it's looking great. Let's add some shadow here, box shadow. Let's change the color to 1. Okay, but here is a gap. Let's go to the style and reduce the row gap. Okay, so it's gone. We can also remove the border from the field. We'll make it 0. All right, it's looking nice. Let's save this and click to preview. All right, it's looking nice. Yeah, it's looking cool now. So this was the subscribe section. We also provide web development, web designing, branding, all kind of services. So if you need any kind of services, you can go to our website and contact with us. I will provide you the link in the description. Also, there is a good news I want to share with you, that we are providing this kind of wonderful website service for only $99. We are providing this service for 3 person in a month. So if you want to get the offer, click the link below. I will give you the link in the description. So you will get a nice and professional website in only $99. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon.